fast. Yeah, global warming means what? When the temperature level that becomes or that rises, actually what happens? Now globally we are feeling what? Warm. In a very general sense, whenever we are feeling that warmness or we were feeling that hot, okay, warmness or the hot globally, and that is called as the what? Warming or global warming. And why did that global warming happen? So it is what? Increasing amount of the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere that leads to the global warming. And if the global warming will happen, okay, so what will be the result? Very blindly we can say the result will be that the temperature of the environment, number one, and also the that sea level that will also rise. And what will happen? When the sea level that will rise and the temperature also that will rise, so tsunami will also occur. Okay, if the tsunami will occur, so what will happen? Out how? Global warming means Subuchina. Bala subila ko?
Yes.
Global warming means whenever we the common people feel warmness or hot, that means we say it is called as the warmness or warm. And global warming, actually why did it happen? How did it happen? Due to the increasing level of the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere that lead to the global warming. And why we say global warming? Because globally we were feeling a hotness or we were feeling a warmness, and that is globally. Globally it is universally. That means what? Now it is not the India that only will feel that hot temperature. No, everywhere, right? If the people in everywhere, every region, every field, they will suffer and they will feel this kind of warmness. So we can say it is called as the global warming. Okay. And the reason is that what? Now increasing amount of the carbon dioxide is number one. See, pura blindly we can say the carbon dioxide. Second one is that also, yeah, what is that? The movement of the sun, that is also changing giving a transiting position, or it is called as the transition in that sun direction. Yeah. And also what? That means what? Environmental problem, environmental issues are also there. And we the people, we are actually creating that environmental problems. And due to that environmental problem, that is sometimes leads to what? The global warming. And sometimes also, in general sense, we can write down in the essay that's for the development of our country, because for a 20th century human beings, they are heading towards the development. In the name of development, we are destroying what? We are destroying the natural habitation. And that natural habitation means what? Now, primarily, since the inception of the civilization, we the people, we are living in a hut or small cottage, or we are living in the forest also. Okay. So during that, prior to the Vedic civilization or prior to 17th century or 16th century, let's say about 12th century or 13th century, so the early human beings, they were living in a small cottage house. But right now, in the name of comfortable, okay, in the name of luxury, what? Now we the human beings, we are decaying our morality, and also what? We were decaying our thoughts also. As our thoughts, that our thought process that changed, so what happened? Now we have been addicted towards the luxury and comfortability, right? So it is called as in the name of comfortable, in the name of luxury, what we were, now we are destroying our morality. We are also destroying what? Our civilization also. And that leads to what? Global warming. So now see that present time we hesitate to walk, even if all the human beings when they suffer in any kind of disease, let's say about diabetes or the cancer or any other, that means very traumatic disease, okay, or very dreaded disease. So we actually kept a promise in our mind that we will walk on the field